select a key, and know how to cut that key on any Silka key machine. Not knowing how to cut a key can lead to frustration, time wasted, and costly mistakes like recutting keys that hurt your bottom line. MyKeys Pro Key Cutting Guide is the answer. It's as simple as logging onto your MyKeys Pro account, selecting the key from the key catalog that you're trying to cut. From here, select the Key Cutting Guide button. At the top, you'll see the key you selected, along with possible substitute options. Scroll and select the key cutting machine you'll be using. Here, you'll find the equipment required, step-by-step instructions, video tutorials, and a 3D model that walks you through the steps of cutting this key. Never eat the cost of miscutting a key again. MyKeys Pro Premium Key Cutting Guide. For more information and how to subscribe, visit mykeys pro.com.